故意，故意，故意。
deliberately, purposely, intentionally,
deliberately, purposely, intentionally.
老师故意用尺敲黑板，以吸引学生的注意力。老师故意用尺敲黑板，以吸引学生的注意力。老师故意用尺敲黑板，以吸引学生的注意力。
The teacher deliberately tapped the blackboard with a ruler to attract the students' attention.
The teacher deliberately tapped the blackboard with a ruler to attract the students' attention.
有些孩子故意哭是为了引起父母的注意。有些孩子故意哭是为了引起父母的注意。有些孩子故意哭是为了引起父母的注意。
Some children cry deliberately to get their parents' attention.
Some children cry deliberately to get their parents' attention.
对不起，我不是故意的，我不小心把它弄坏了。对不起，我不是故意的，我不小心把它弄坏了。对不起，我不是故意的，我不小心把它弄坏了。
Sorry, I didn't mean to, I accidentally broke it.
Sorry, I didn't mean to, I accidentally broke it.
敲，敲，敲。
Knock, beat, tap, strike,
Knock, beat, tap, strike.
晚上我听到敲门声，但打开门却没有人。晚上我听到敲门声，但打开门却没有人。晚上我听到敲门声，但打开门却没有人。
I heard a knock on the door at night, but when I opened the door there was no one.
I heard a knock on the door at night, but when I opened the door there was no one.
我敲了半天门，却没有人开门。我敲了半天门，却没有人开门。我敲了半天门，却没有人开门。
I knocked on the door for a long time, but no one responded.
I knocked on the door for a long time, but no one responded.
为了表示对倒茶人的感谢，用五指在桌面轻敲两下。为了表示对倒茶人的感谢，用五指在桌面轻敲两下。为了表示对倒茶人的感谢，用五指在桌面轻敲两下。
To express gratitude to the person who poured the tea, tap twice on the table with your 5 fingers.
To express gratitude to the person who poured the tea, tap twice on the table with your 5 fingers.
整理，整理，整理。
Tidy up. Arrange.
Tidy up. Arrange.
这个房间太乱了，快去打扫，整理一下。这个房间太乱了，快去打扫，整理一下。这个房间太乱了，快去打扫，整理一下。
This room is too messy. Go clean it and tidy it up.
This room is too messy. Go clean it and tidy it up.
我正在整理我的复习笔记。我正在整理我的复习笔记。我正在整理我的复习笔记。
I'm organizing my review notes.
I'm organizing my review notes.
他正在忙着整理行李，准备明天去北京出差。他正在忙着整理行李，准备明天去北京出差。他正在忙着整理行李，准备明天去北京出差。
He is busy packing his luggage for a business trip to Beijing tomorrow.
He is busy packing his luggage for a business trip to Beijing tomorrow.
合适，合适，合适，
Suitable. Appropriate.
Suitable. Appropriate.
我们必须找到合适的方法来解决这个难题。我们必须找到合适的方法来解决这个难题。我们必须找到合适的方法来解决这个难题。
We must find appropriate ways to solve this problem.
We must find appropriate ways to solve this problem.
如果表达不合适，就会引起别人的误会。如果表达不合适，就会引起别人的误会。如果表达不合适，就会引起别人的误会。
If the expression is inappropriate, it will cause misunderstanding by others.
If the expression is inappropriate, it will cause misunderstanding by others.
我还没找到合适的房子。我还没找到合适的房子。我还没找到合适的房子。
I haven't found the right house yet.
I haven't found the right house yet.
骗，骗，骗。
Cheat. Deceive. Fool. Trick.
Cheat. Deceive. Fool. Trick.
他被人骗了很多钱。他被人骗了很多钱。他被人骗了很多钱。
He was defrauded of a lot of money.
He was defrauded of a lot of money.
千万不能骗孩子，因为这样做会导致他们说假话。千万不能骗孩子，因为这样做会导致他们说假话。千万不能骗孩子，因为这样做会导致他们说假话。
Never lie to children because doing so will cause them to tell lies.
Never lie to children because doing so will cause them to tell lies.
他骗了同事后，假装什么都没发生。他骗了同事后，假装什么都没发生。他骗了同事后，假装什么都没发生。
After he lied to his colleagues, he pretended that nothing happened.
After he lied to his colleagues, he pretended that nothing happened.
儿童，儿童，儿童。
Children.
Children.
儿童是国家未来的主人翁。儿童是国家未来的主人翁。儿童是国家未来的主人翁。
Children are the future masters of their country.
Children are the future masters of their country.
虐待儿童是违法的行为。虐待儿童是违法的行为。虐待儿童是违法的行为。
Child abuse is illegal.
Child abuse is illegal.
政府有责任维护儿童的权利。政府有责任维护儿童的权利。政府有责任维护儿童的权利。
The government has a responsibility to safeguard children's rights.
The government has a responsibility to safeguard children's rights.
谢谢观看。